Yes, the title reads correctly. I am shorting Bitcoin. Before you scream at me in the comments, let me explain exactly the context, and I will show you exactly the trade, and I'm going to show you exactly why that is and what I'm expecting from the market. So please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave some comments down below for the algorithms to push this video out to other people. And let's just get straight into this. If you're saying that Bitcoin has been crashing a little bit yesterday, actually all the way down to 92,800, it is starting to look a little bit painful, and it's kind of part of this whole move here. And right now we have so much incredible FUD, which is actually causing this panic selling. So let me show you exactly what is happening. One of the biggest reasons is the Tether FUD. So Tether is actually going to be delisted in the EU, in the European Union, on the 30th of December. So because of this, actually, we're seeing a lot of people like this dude right here who is saying that urgent 24 hours until crypto crash, USDT will delist on December 30th, etc. So I want to address this today in this video, and I'm gonna tell you how this affects my Bitcoin short and why I'm taking it at all. So also, there is so much FUD, there is so much fear right now. There is another guy saying that expect a lot of volatility in the next 48 hours as people will panic sell due to the Tether FUD. There is a lot of fear in the market, but any price movement will only be temporary. So a lot of fear. And here we also see that we haven't seen this level of panic selling in Bitcoin since 2018. Look at it, panic selling. Insane. It's huge amount of retail that is dumping Bitcoin right now. And actually, if we look, what we care about the most right now is the Bitcoin dominance. And the Bitcoin dominance is still hovering at this stupid support. And again, if we zoom out, remember what this support is. We really want to see this continuation for us to go into the alt season. So now getting to my Bitcoin short. So, and yes, I'm not kidding. I actually have here on my main account, I actually have a Bitcoin short. So here is my Bitcoin short, 355,000, because actually I've taken a short from here and I've taken a partial profit already right here, realizing a small profit, and my stop loss is basically into break even. So if it comes back to the same level, it's going to cancel it. And let me explain what this short is and reason why it's actually performing quite well and is actually giving us some hopium. So but again, everything in due time. So that's why I always watch my videos from the beginning and until the end. And as you can see, guys, I cannot make a video every single time that something happens in the market. So we took a short from here, took a profit here. So we're taking all these trades, protecting our positions in general. And if you want to be seeing what I do personally in the same moment, and you want to copy my trades, you want to understand my logic in the moment, not waiting for the YouTube updates, which can sometimes come with a delay, then using the link down in the description of this video, join Kralow Trading Club. This is where you can learn how to trade. It's an incredible community with a lot of good traders, and there is also a copy trading feature where you can just copy what we do automatically. And for example, yesterday, it was a Sunday, we were adjusting a few things in a strategy and we were taking a hedge short, and it would have replicated in your portfolio without you doing shit. So there is a copy trading feature available only to Kralow Trading Club members, which again, you can find down in the description of this video, and you can enjoy this bull run without any painful headache that you have to be sitting there on a Sunday at 12 o'clock at night. We do the job for you. So, okay, moving on. What I really want you to understand here is this is the first piece, and then I'm going to explain the whole logic behind my Bitcoin short. So, Trump administration will make Ethereum great again. There is this project which is MEGA, not MAGA, so making America great again, but MEGA, which is making Ethereum great again. So in 2025, thanks to the overhaul of regulations that have slowed Ethereum's progress, the introduction of staking, what we spoke about before, if this gets introduced, Ethereum is at 10K, like really, and much more. So if you want to read about MEGA, go to Cointelegraph. There is a very nice article. I'm not going to waste too much of your time, but what it basically says is that Trump's administration, the President of the United States, is super bullish on Ethereum and is going to be breathing a lot of life into it simply because of regulation and how friendly, even in terms of DeFi. We're even thinking maybe we should move Evadex to the United States and have a separate office there at some point. I don't know. This makes me excited, not just as a crypto trader, but also as a person who has been part of the Evadex team and actually building a decentralized ecosystem as a DeFi protocol. So this is huge. But this is not all. And I'm getting to the Tether FUD in just a second. So please watch the video till the end to get the entire context. So another huge news that, look, January the 3rd, we have the beginning, the kickoff of $16 billion in creditor repayments from the FTX. So the time is here. And where is this money going to end up? In the market. So this is huge liquidity that is coming from the side of retail, and they're going to start repaying in just a couple of days, and they have this a 60-day time window to start doing so. So it might take a little bit of time, but this is what we want to see. This is what the market will start front running. So this is incredibly bullish. Extra liquidity, plus there is no rebalancing of stupid portfolios on Wall Street, which is still a fear, by the way, today and tomorrow, because S&P 500 is still open. So there might be some less dumps today and tomorrow, and some manipulations because there is no liquidity, there is no volume. It's pretty scary. Retail is already selling like stupid, whatever. So it can be very, very volatile. So as this guy, not this one, this guy has said, expect a lot of volatility in the next 48 hours. Yes, it's true. There will be a lot of volatility, maybe a tiny bit because of this stupid Tether FUD, but also we're going to get to it in just a second. But what is most important is here that by the end of the year, which is 30th and the 31st of December, today and tomorrow, there still might be some dumps in S&P 500 and rebalancing of portfolios and profit taking on Bitcoin. So I wouldn't be surprised again today to see Bitcoin dump in terms of the ETF and actual accumulation of Ethereum ETF again, which actually is going to also contribute by extension to the Bitcoin dominance to actually keep dropping, because we really want to see it finally pass this goddamn level where we are standing at right now. So because of this, and before I move to the chart, explain my trade, etc. And before I actually do, you guys can see that I'm personally trading over on Bybit. And if you use my exclusive link down description in this video to Bybit, you can actually claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses. But the coolest thing is that you can claim up to 42% discount on trading fees. So if you don't care about the bonuses, at least you can get half off on your trading fees, which is incredible. And you can do that only if you create an account using my link down description in this video or in the pinned comment. And if you already have a Bybit account, you can actually create a new one using a different form of identification for your KYC, such as, for example, a driver's license. So use this to your advantage. Don't be stupid. Save on commission. Save yourself some money. Put it better to work in the spot market or bigger trades, or, I don't know, buy yourself something nice. So don't waste it on commissions. Now, getting to this. So we see this bullishness, this incredible bullishness. And now about Tether FUD, finally, before I explain my trade and my Bitcoin short. So a lot of USDT FUD. And really, to be honest, it's nothing more than a FUD. It's, again, the same stupid fear spreading to kick out retail. It's the same bullshit. And remember, I'm not going to show you the chart, but historically, Tether FUD came where? Usually, exactly, around the vicinity of the bottom. So USDT, for one, is not becoming illegal in Europe on the 30th of December. That's bullshit. It's not happening. MiCA rules will require compliance. Yes. So, and with time, they want it delisted. And there is a 6 to 18 months transition period for providers. And by that time, USDT, Tether, one of the biggest crypto companies in the world, they already have so many investments in so many other stable coins. And European market, by market share, is not the biggest. It's not like US, it's not like China, it's not like even, I think it's even smaller than Middle East. So it's not huge. It doesn't have an impact that people think it does. So that being said, Tether, with their resources, with the amount of money they've made, even if they had issues before, I don't think they have any issues. They are one of the strongest companies out there. And the fact that in Europe, they're changing it to some other stablecoin within 18 months. And we've known about this. There is nothing new about this. So this is nothing more than stupid FUD to spreading stupid fear to kick people out. So that brings me to the trade here. The reason why I've taken this Bitcoin short. It initially was $500,000 short. Now it's 355,000 because I've taken some profit already here automatically, and my another take profit is a tiny bit lower. So the reason why I've taken this only as a hedge. So everything else still stays the same. Every single one of my trades, everything is currently looking incredibly bullish. Incredible. Like, look at it. We're standing at this support. Yeah. Ethereum is so much stronger already than Bitcoin. This is what we really want to see right now. And Bitcoin dominance to keep dropping lower below this level, as I just showed you. Solana is kind of also showing a bit more strength than Bitcoin. And the reason why, because we're finally about to go into the Christmas Santa rally. Yes, delayed, but nonetheless. And the reason why I've taken this short, and again, this short already made me money. If it comes back to the same entry price, I will cancel it so it's automatic. We're not going to lose any money on it. And the same thing we've done in our copy trading. So join Kralow Trading Club. It's just a protection, but not against the tether FUD. It's more the protection against the next few days when there's going to be nobody in the market. S&P 500 is closed. There is New Year's Eve or whatever. Usually during these times, there can be huge volatility. And maybe we can even try to pierce down to 90K, but not because of anything fundamental, because of stupid, low liquidity and volume market manipulations that you have to be super careful about. That's it. But everything else stays as it is, and we will keep it as just a small protection. Join Kralow Trading Club, so you don't need to worry about any of this, and you can just use our copy trading feature. Link down in the description of this video. Join Bybit, get yourself a 42% discount on trading fees and up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses. Probably I'm not going to see you this year anymore because it's time for me to have some salad and relax. So thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for being part of this channel. I hope you guys made a shit ton of money just like I did in the last few years of you watching my content. If you didn't, I don't know why you didn't. Maybe something with your trading psychology. Anyway, peace and love. Thomas Kralow. Stay smart. Stay very rich. Wish you an amazing 2025. Have a good time with your family and friends. And I'll see you in the next video.